Don't miss this 2011 Ford Taurus. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a white exterior. With 17,206 miles, you'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Contact Zimmerman Auto Group at 800-325-1966 and see this vehicle firsthand.